So this problem involves a raffle giveaway that has one first prize of $100, three second prizes of $25, and 11 third prizes of $5 each. And each ticket costs $2. Only 100 tickets are sold. What is the expected winning? So in order to understand what kind of problem this is, there's a very important word, and that is the word expected. And expected implies that we're going to be talking about expected value. And in order to find the expected value, what we need to do is we need to create a probability distribution chart, which is exactly what you see here. We have X. X is the winnings that we're going to have. And then we have the probability of each of those winnings. So let's talk about what the different X's are. So first of all, there obviously is the probability of not winning at all. So you put your ticket in, they pull it out, you don't win. So what your winnings are, a lot of people are tempted to say that it's $0, but it's not zero because you've actually laid out $2. So the X in that case, the case of losing, is -2. And I'm going to write that above here. Let's call that losing. Okay. And the probability of losing, well, we'll get back to that in a minute. Now, the next option is that you win third prize. Well, third prize is going to be a prize of $5. But again, you've laid out 2, so your actual winning really is only $3 when you win. Okay, so that's third prize. For your second prize is $25 each. So minus the $2 means you're going to win $23 altogether. That's if you win in second place. And then first prize is $100, which means your winnings are going to be $98. That's the first prize. Perfect. So let's talk about now what the probabilities of each of these are. So let's work backwards. The probability of winning first prize, there's only one out of the 100 tickets. So that means that we've got the probability is 1 out of 100. For second prize, there are 3 of them. So that means that there are 3 out of 100 possible ways to win second prize. And there are 11 third prizes. So that means that there are 11 out of 100 third prizes. So the question is then, how many losing tickets are there? Well, the losing tickets are the ones that are left over. So we have 11 and 3 and 1. That gives us 15 altogether, which means there are 85 out of 100 tickets left, and that is the probability of losing, of winning -$2. Perfect. So our probability distribution chart is done, and now we need to go ahead and we need to find the expected value. Well, we know that the formula for expected value is to multiply every x times p of x, and once you multiply them, you add them up. So that would look like -2 times 85 over 100 plus 3 times 11 over 100 plus 23 times 3 over 100 plus 98 times 1 over 100. So again, each x times its probability, and we add them together. And so we get -170 over 100 plus 33 over 100 plus 69 over 100 plus 98 over 100. When I add these together, I get 30 over 100, which translates to 0.30 or 30 cents, 30 out of 100. So what does that mean in regards to the question? It means that the expected winning, if you spend $2 on a ticket, is that you are going to win 30 cents. And that's how we answer this question.